Hi guys, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Uh, First of all, if you are my new viewer and you are watching my video first time, please subscribe to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you very beautiful and very pretty Christmas wreath. What is a Christmas wreath called? In the 16th century, the use of wreaths during Yule was adopted by Christians and became a custom in the form of Advent wreaths. What is in a Christmas wreath? Christmas wreaths are made by twisting or bending evergreen branches into a large circle, which are then decorated with pine cones and a red bow. The circle shape of the wreath is made to represent Christians' eternal love, his strength, and the creation of new life. What is the definition of a wreath? An arrangement of flowers and leaves in a circular shape, used as a decoration or as a sign of respect and remembrance for a person who has died. A holly laurel wreath. Is a wreath a garland? So what's the difference between them? The easy answer is the shape. Wreaths form a circular ring, while garlands form a long line of foliage alongside the Christmas tree. Wreaths and garlands are a great way to add Christmas greenery to your home. What are wreaths made of? Wreath is circular garland usually woven of flowers, leaves and foliage that traditionally indicates hour of celebration. So I really hope that you will like my information. If you have any question related to this video, or if you want to see more ideas related to this video, so wait for my next video. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting me. Have a beautiful day. Love you all. Bye bye.